We are starting the letter W. Woohoo! All right, so W sounds like watermelon. Watermelon. And let's look a little bit more at our W card here. A W has lots of slanty lines. It starts at the strawberry line and slants down to the chocolate, and then slants back up to the strawberry, which looks like the letter V if you stop there. But then you slant down again and back up. And the lowercase w is exactly the same. It's just shorter. Starts at the middle line. When we hear words, words that start like w with the letter W, we're going to wiggle. So wiggle your body in your chair, wherever you're standing or sitting. And that's what we're going to do when we hear W words. You can listen to the W song on the Super Kids website, or I put it on YouTube as well. But you might be a little confused. What is a wag-wag? A wag-wag is what Lily has decided the Super Kids are going to pretend to be. Lily is the super noodle, and she wants them to pretend that they are something that she made up called wag-wags, and they live on a different planet. So we're going to learn a little bit more about these pretend creatures that the Super Kids are pretending to be. And we're going to talk about different planets because they live in space and they visit different planets. And that is why I believe, I don't know where it is, but my memory word 2 is on a globe. It's over there somewhere. On the a globe of the Earth, because later on we're going to practice that word 2. Let's get to the planets. But that's for later. So on this page, we see all the Super Kids pretending to be wag-wags. Let's see what they're saying. Wag, 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 wag. So what do wag-wags say? It sounds like they say wag or wag-wag. Let's read the words together at the top. Lily is the super noodle. Lily has a plan. The Super Kids dress up as wag-wags. The wag-wags will visit the planets. Even Golly has a little antenna headband on. On this page, we are going to look for things whose name begins like the sound at the beginning of watermelon, or wagon, or wag-wag. So do you see anything that starts like I see all of those W words that they're saying. Wag, wag. So we are going to underline each W in all of these words. Wag. That is a made-up creature, Lily. Made up. Wag-wags are not real animals. Let's look up in the words and the sentences up here and see if we can find all of the W's. I better start at the beginning. What? Ooh, that was a W. That was more like wah. I just want wah. All right. So now let's talk about some things in the picture that start like wah. Some of the Super Kids have a really crazy colored hair, and it's not their normal hair. When you put on pretend hair, you might call that a wig. Let's chop the word wig. Egg. Let's write the word wig. W egg. No, I wrote that in the cloud. That's not the word cloud, but I just wanted to write it up there. I'm going to circle all of these wigs. The super kids are hanging out of the windows on the bus. Say window. And I'm going to just circle one of the windows. You could circle them all if you wanted, but window starts with the letter W in the sound w. Look at the bird that's in the sky. Bird does not start with the letter W, but part of the bird does. What are these things used that help birds fly? Wings. So we're going to circle the wings on the bird. And the last thing in the picture that starts with a W is this wall that is behind the bus. I'm going to circle the, oh, you can't even see what I'm doing, is the wall here behind the bus. So it's like a brick wall. It's on this side too. I'm going to circle both sides. The wall. As we go through the rest of the pages of this book, we're going to learn more about the wagwags and where they live. But for today, that's all we're doing. So start listening for W words. Oh, and you could trace your uppercase W and your lowercase W over here too.